I landed on a tree.
Oh Jesus Christ! Where am I? Where am I? Dylan, what'd you get me into? Hello there.
Oh, there's money here. $20,000.
Dylan, go.
Jordan, there's
Go.
$20,000 here.
Okay. Punch him. Good job.
I didn't punch him. I slapped him. I freaking. Oh God, lad.
Dogs. Operation Punch the Dog.
Dogs.
Oh, ooh, get slapped in the face. My motorcycle is about to explode.
So is mine. Yay, $20,000. I need $2,000
To get the epic car.
to get the $40,000 car.
The $40,000? What about the $700,000?
Oh, never mind. I need all I need is $1,000. $700,000 car.
Oh.
I need $1,000 more dollars. Oh yay, another motorcycle.
Gosh.
Yay.
Dang it, Dylan! This umbrella that you blocked in the way. Now I can't freaking get it.
That like never happened to me. I've always landed on the bridge, even with using nitros. I used nitros that time as well, and I made it through.
I made it over
there's
the
a
bridge. I
car.
almost went into the freaking sea, dude.
Yeah, I know, same. But luckily there was a tree that I landed on. There's
I
a car over
recorded
here.
that. There was. There was a car there. I saw that, boy. What are you doing?
It's still there. It's still there.
Sure
It's right here. It's right here.
Oh, it is.
There's also a boat.
So where are we going? Where are we going, boy?
What we're going to do is run around. Oh God. Is run around and profile people, see if any of them are Mila, and see if you think they're cuter than your girlfriend.
Can we actually do something productive? Like munitions?
We could, but who wants to do that?
Me? Oh God! What the heck did you do?
I did nothing.
What was that?
Oh hey Jordan, there's a dirt bike.
Okay. What did you do? I did nothing. I did nothing.
Jesus Christ, I cannot turn. Oh hey, I found Gwen Goodwood again.
Shooter. Okay. Just get in position. Wait, let me go and pull up my phone for true cinematic style.
You did not just hear gunshots.
You're right, I didn't. Okay.
You said shooter. She's laying here dead on the floor.
Okay. I got it. I have a camera.
I'm gonna do this. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Epic music in here.
Ah.
You have to do it like right when you're on top of it.
I know, but I was already in midair when I did it.
Oh.
So let me close that. Oh God.
Well, where'd you go? Oh.
Vroom, vroom.
Okay. Oh God, no. Oh God. What are you doing?
I can't do it with the truck. The truck is too heavy.
The police? The police. They're not doing anything.
Thank you for your money, and thank you for your service.
Okay. Oh God.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Oh God.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I hit a tree.
God. There he goes into the distance. Oh God. Oh.
Oh Jordan.
Oh, man.
Jordan. Okay. So when I was hacking that person and I was in an open field, this is the open field I was in, and I was just chilling right here with the same exact car.
Oh. I see you down there.
No, you don't.
I do. They look dead. Your car's just like moving back and forth. Like humping the ground.
I know. Oh, dang.
Oh, that was not me. That was not me.
Yeah, that wasn't me either.
Into the ocean, Dylan. Be a fish. You failed at being a fish. You failed.
Thank you for your money. Thank you.
Sort of a helicopter.
I totally didn't just shoot the crap out of them.
Where'd you go? Are you in the ocean now?
Nope.
I heard the siren stop. Is that good?
Into the ocean!
Oh god, the helicopter just... What the heck? Okay. Oh, neutralize the guy. Okay. Dylan, stop
Run me over,
orgasms.
boat, please. Yes! I had the boat run me over.
Ugh, flips. Ooh, epic flip. Ooh. Gonna honk at a freaking geyser. Good job. Okay. I'm driving a mom van. Operation Mom Van Killer is a go. Dylan's coming towards you. Watch out. Dylan! Stop
got
it!
him. I got him! Don't worry, Gordon, I got him!
You got the Sons of Ragnarok on us now. What have you done?
Don't worry, Gordon, I got him!
What have you done? The police officers, swiftly, yeah.
Jesus!
Power. I'm just here to record stuff, dude. I'm not here to... Oh, I'm under the van. Dylan, I need you to blow this van for me. I am not part of this. I'm not part of this. That's all him. This... Oh, God. Oh, God.
You said neutralize the target, I neutralized the target.
Yeah.
I knew what you asked.
Yeah, you did. But you shot too many targets. Jesus Christ, can't, like, take a video?
Wow.
I'm a non-musical.
That's so funny. I activated my hacker vision, and I just see a guy drop to the floor because he got tased.
You're welcome. I saved you.
Wait. This guy, it says on Noodle he searched why have no friends.
Huh. Why have no friends? Oh, he owns a pet pig. This guy.
Why?
This guy owns a pet pig. Huh.
No. Is it Peppa the Pig?
Maybe. Football season ticket holder. What about you? Recently relapsed. Okay. No, don't you dare take that. Boy. Gosh dang it, Dylan. I'm just taking that. I'll get you, boy.
Oh, dang, that civilian jumped in front of my freaking bike. Oh, they're dead. I need $30. $30. I need $30.
Let's go get those 30.
Yes, I got it. I got $45 extra. Let's go. Oh. I gotta find the nearest auto elite. There it is. Yes.
Fast travel to the auto dealer. Okay, well, I'm gonna buy.
Jordan, look, I bought it and it spawned in right here.
Wait, I'm gonna buy something. 1 second. I never bought in a car before because I'm black. Okay,
You're white. God dang it.
Hold up. I'm gonna get a motorcycle. Ooh, which one? Which one should I get? Dylan, why do I hear a taser?
I didn't taste him.
Oh, who tased him then?
I have a pistol in my hand.
Okay, Fiametta. Okay, 36,000, and then the Fiametta. I'm gonna save it for the Fiametta. Then
I like how I say I have a pistol in my hand as a cop car drives by and doesn't notice anything.
As there's a freaking dead guy.
They're not dead, they're just tased.
Sure.
As you said,
sure,
his name is Dino.
It's pronounced Dino. Chillin'. Drive.
I activated nitros.
That was fun.
But, you know what? This is why I didn't spawn it in.
Yeah.
I just took the one that the game gave me. So now I
shut up, hole.
Where's it at?
I told the hole to shut up. It didn't shut up.
Winning. Dean, bro.
Trying to crush a car on me? Like, what the heck?
I
What are you
tried.
doing?
I tried.
Tried, but you failed. Ooh, this is fun. Wait, Dylan. Let's go. Da 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 da. Oh god! Oh god! Jesus! Well, I'm just gonna stay on top of this car forever now. It's my home. Bounty event.
Bounty hunter event.
Go. Why can't I not
Too
climb
bad
up these rocks?
Too bad I don't have my car.
Yeah, you freaking. You know,
It's your fault, Jordan.
how is it my fault? You crashed the car into the lake.
You're the one that made me do it. It's not even a lake.
Jesus Christ, cop. Jesus. Okay, where's the car? Where's the car?
I
Where's
just
the
hit
car?
you.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I'm liking this. Brum 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 brum. Oh no, that's a wall.
I'm helping this guy escape.
Why? That's the opposite. I almost crashed into a gas. Yes, it is. It's the opposite what we're supposed to be doing.
Why are we trying to kill him?
Because he's a. Good point. Target's getting away, Dylan.
Sorry, I had a really slow car. Oh, I disconnected.
Ha. Rage quit. You know, I'm just gonna just live my life in the ocean now.
Wait, what
Okay.
the fuck, man?
Exactly. He disappeared.
Are you still walking around? I can't move. Oh, there we go.
There you go. Okay, let's do this.
You were walking around. I was just standing there.
Okay, so we need to get inside that. You have to get on it first, boy. Oh, what have you done? Oh,
I walked right in the front door.
Not like there's like a person up there that saw that whole thing, but you know.
No, not at all. Actually,
There's one person.
that's what we're supposed to steal.
Spread boy. Gosh, damn it, Dylan.
All I'm gonna say is that they were shooting, so I shot back.
You shouldn't have, dude. So, guns open or not?
Yeah, guns are totally open.
Climb and punch maneuver. Oh my God, you have a vehicle.
Yeah, I was
Okay,
inside the building.
just,
That's why I said when they started shooting, I shot back.
I'll just go ahead and just clear up this place. You do the building part.
I gotta deliver in less than a minute 20, but now it's only 50 seconds.
It doesn't say what condition it's in.
Yeah, I know, it doesn't matter. It's in great condition. I'm almost already there.
Okay, is there any more
Oh,
scrubs
missed.
here?
I missed my turn, but don't worry. I'm already there.
Ooh, teddy bear.
I did it. What? Oh, I gotta escape.
Teddy bear. Do 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 do.
No, time's going down because they're after me. No. He said re-download it, please. No, we're gonna fail because they're after me. God dang it. Can you explode? No, your friend can't. Ow. He shot my drone. God dang it, it was all because they were freaking after me.
I think we can
Sure.
escape this place.
Jordan, you said sure. Sure, why not?
I know. I'm a horrible person. Yeah, don't mind this moving thing. I'm just totally just gonna get over here. Okay, there we go. Escaping.
Darn it, escape the area. God dang.
I know, I added to my sneaky, stealthy exit.
Did you?
Yep. I used a forklift.
Okay, well, I'm at the exit. I'll be waiting for you.
Okay. Boom.
And I'll be right back, actually.